Hey there, this is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're finding me for the first time on YouTube, you can go directly to windowpurchase.com where you can see over 200 educational videos. You can find the 3 books I've written on windows and doors and information on them. 2 are still available on Amazon and Kindle. And I also have a consulting page. So if you need consulting services beyond that, fill out the stuff, send it to me, and I'll call you back. Make sure to include your number. And if you like my videos, find them helpful, please like and subscribe. Today's video is rather unique because for the first time, I'm actually endorsing a window company. And here's why. I get a lot of calls from manufacturers across the nation and dealers that want me to endorse them on my website. The problem is they don't hit all my check boxes. My check boxes have to range anywhere from, are you the actual manufacturer? Do you do your own installations? Do you have a much better than average warranty? And is the product built for longevity, durability, and high performance? Because Mother Nature doesn't have to be nice no matter where you live. So I really want a product that rises above the rest. On this here, you can see, this is Mike Gilkey. He owns the company. He's been on quite a few magazine covers. He started the company in 1978. It's a family-owned company, and you can see his son Vince here and his son-in-law Augie. So it's kind of a boutique company. They custom make all their products. They have fiberglass and vinyl, and they have some products that have a blend of both for certain circumstances where it might be a better fit, depending on the situation. And they're based out of Cincinnati, Chicago, and Louisville, but if you're willing to pay for shipping and you arrange for shipping, you can get Gilkey Windows anywhere you want. You just got to pay for the shipping. But I don't want you to think it's just those 3 areas that you can only get them. Now, if you're doing business in Chicagoland area or Louisville or Cincinnati, we actually make them, but then we also do the installations, and they also do their own service. Mike Gilkey's pretty adamant about having a hand in all aspects of it. That way, if there's a common problem that they're having, it's easier to fix it at the factory end so that you have less service going out to the customer's end. Now, this guy behind me is Mr. Fix-It. He's a famous radio personality in Chicagoland on WGN. WGN is one of the biggest stations here. He's got his own morning radio show on Saturday mornings called Lou House Smarts. He also owns 2 Ace hardware stores. And he only endorses Gilkey Windows. So there's a lot of companies that are willing to pay him to endorse them, but why doesn't he endorse them? What does he know about those products that you don't know? Gilkey was also ranked one of the top 100 window manufacturers in 2022 and 23, and they have an A+ rating on the BBB, and they are accredited. So highly recommend checking them out. I do endorse Gilkey Windows. Give them a call and check them out. And if you need consulting beyond that, you can call me direct if you want consulting anywhere across the nation. The last 2 clients I helped with that, one was in New Jersey and the other one was in Hawaii. And I've helped everybody in between. Anyway, Gilkey.com, Gilkey.com. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.